Now I'm going to play the role of a client executive at Accenture, and I've just come back from PTO. So now the panic of the Sunday scaries is upon me. I need to catch up on all of the messages, the meetings I missed, the to-dos, reaching out to my colleagues and getting the latest, and trying to get ready for the week. We all know what this feels like. Like I always do, I'm going to start out here in Slack. But notice that I have a new tab. It's the Agentforce tab, and it looks like I have a team of agents available to help me. From expenses to internal help support to onboarding. But I need to get up to speed right now on my biggest account, Capricorn. And I've been trying to reach my colleagues, and it's Sunday night and no one is around. But you know who's always there? Agentforce. So let's ask Agentforce to help. I ask the agent to summarize everything that's happened with Capricorn since I was out of the office. But notice, I didn't actually have to specify a time period. Agentforce knows because it's context-aware with access to my calendar. So right here, in a matter of seconds, I get an update with a couple of important things, like an earnings call with a critical business issue that I need to be aware of. There was also a QBR meeting. But look at that last bullet. Agentforce is showing me what to focus on, because we have a meeting this week to present a proposal to the customer. What typically would take me a good few hours has now just taken a matter of seconds, and Agentforce has helped me get up to speed and know what I need to prioritize. So since I've saved so much time, I'm going to go ahead and start to prep for this upcoming meeting. But I probably need to know what happened in that QBR. So let's ask my teammate to give us more clarity. I mentioned the unique power of Agentforce and its ability to tap into the structured data and rich unstructured data in conversations in Slack, which gives it better relevancy and accuracy. And I want you to see how that works and why it matters. So I'm going to ask Agentforce if it can find the presentation from that business review meeting. What you see right here is Agentforce delivering federated search in Slack. So I see a summary of all the conversational data in Slack, but I also find the document from that business review that I need to look at that's stored in OneDrive. You know how this feels. You can ask people for the right file, you might have the wrong version, but Agentforce is working for you, bringing it all together and bringing it into one place where we're already working. But what I love here is that now Agentforce knows the context of what we're doing. So it's coming back not only with the search results, but it's also suggesting that I engage with the product specialist agent to help identify the right solution for Capricorn. The product specialist agent helps me like a teammate and recommends that we should bring in the analytics solution to help Capricorn improve forecast accuracy and reduce holding costs. But how does Agentforce know what holding costs mean? Because Agentforce is tapping into the power of the Tableau semantic layer, which defines in common language the connected data and definitions of those metrics. This type of research could take weeks, but with Agentforce, I have it here instantly. But now I need to create a proposal for the meeting. Getting up to speed is half the battle, but then you need to prep all of the content for that meeting. So many hours are spent pulling together the content on a day in and day out basis. But now Agentforce has the power to invoke Slack skills. And Agentforce is going to start building a proposal for me in a canvas right here. This is the power of digital labor, always ready to act on my behalf. This is Agentforce tapping into the power of Data Cloud, looking across my structured and unstructured data to find similar client engagements, and then use those to inform recommended actions and insights, making every seller an expert. Now, this canvas is looking pretty good, but I think that ROI table could look a little better. So I'm going to ask Agentforce to update that into a beautiful Tableau visualization. You just saw how Agentforce becomes a team member to help me get up to speed, and then prepare the proposal for this meeting. But it goes beyond that. Agentforce is for the entire team, bringing us always on 24/7 experts. So let's share this canvas with my account channel. Now, we're in the Capricorn account channel, and here you can see all of our team is there. But who else is there? Agentforce. A team of experts are here answering team members' questions, listening proactively, ready to offer their insights, prompting for follow-up actions based on the conversational data in Slack, and helping us all get our work done faster and better than ever, right here in our flow of work. With Agentforce and Slack, agents don't just operate in isolation. They seamlessly integrate just like another team member collaborating in the channel. Everything you know and love about Slack is now making Agentforce even more powerful. This brings digital labor into every team. This is Agentforce in Slack.